What is up, guys? It's Chris back again with another custom. So recently Jordan Brand dropped a cool shoe that's called the Jordan 1 Crimson Tints, and I want to add a little spice to them, be a little different. So I'm basically going to be turning them into kind of a pink black toe kind of colorway. So anyways, let's get into the custom.
Okay guys, so as usual, we're gonna use some cotton balls dipped in acetone, and we're gonna wipe off the parts of the shoe that we're gonna paint. Okay, so now we're gonna mix up our paint. For this, I'm gonna be using some Angelus flat white, and I'm gonna mix that with some Createx Colors adhesion promoter, which is gonna stop paint cracking when they're worn. And my ratio is gonna be about 60% white paint to 40% adhesion promoter, and then I'm gonna load that up into my airbrush and spray some even coats. Okay, so now that the tape has been peeled off, we're looking at what we're working with right now, and they look great. Quite a few spots that I need to touch up, but we will get to that in a few minutes at the end. Right now, we're gonna use some Angelus flat black, and we're gonna hit this swoosh. Okay guys, so once you're done painting the swoosh black, you want to get a detail brush. I will leave all links to all materials used in this video in the description box, so anything you need will be down there. And we're just gonna do these touch-ups, okay? This is the most important part of the custom. You want to sit back, relax, and take your time and hit these edges. When your customer opens a box, it's what they're gonna see. It's what you're gonna see every time you look at the shoe if you're doing it for yourself. And I mean, whenever I go on Instagram and I see a really cool shoe, I always zoom in and look at the edges of the panels. Look at the Jordan 1 logo, because that shows how much time the customizer put into that shoe. So this is what we're working with right now. I think the custom came together really nicely, and I can't wait to put these on my feet. But before that, we still need to spray a layer of finisher to add that extra layer of protection. For this, I'm going to be using Angelus matte finish, topped off with a few drops of duller because the matte finish isn't quite matte enough for me. So let's get started.
So with that step, the shoe is now done, and I think that they look fantastic. Okay guys, so let me know what you think of the custom. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Do you prefer the original colorway that was dropped by Nike? Leave a comment down below in the comment section and let's have a civilized discussion. And also, all the products I use in this video are linked down below in the description box. So if you want to try it out for yourself, go check it out. Now, for everyone that wants to get this custom done by me and you already own the Jordan 1 Crimson Tint, which is the base shoe for the custom, head over to my website, chriscustomkicks.com, and place your order. Secure your slot because I'm not taking too many. I prefer to take a few slots at a time, do them, get them out, and then take more instead of taking way too many and having customer shoes for months and months. I'm not really a fan of that. But anyways, if you want to get the shoe done by me, all pricing and info is available at my website, chriscustomkicks.com. Now, even if you don't want to get the shoe done by me, anyone that really messes with Jordan 1s like that knows that the value usually rises with time. So if you just want to add it to your personal collection, they're pretty much going for retail right now, which is crazy because it's a really nice shoe. So you should probably grab that before you look and you see that they're going for $250, $300 like so many of the other colorways. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for your support. Remember to subscribe so when I drop a video, you can actually see it. And on top of that, if you want to keep up with what I'm doing and what shoes I'm doing, follow me on Instagram at chriscustomkicks. The people over at Instagram, they see it all first. YouTube sees it after. Okay, but thank you for your support and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.